So today's video, I've got a special treat for you. I'm actually going to be the one getting lessons on how to improve my communication. I want to take you behind the scenes as I get coaching from Roger Love, America's #1 voice coach. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Michael with Michael's Business English, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Rincon. I'm a former six-figure data analyst turned ESL instructor and career coach. If you're new here on this channel, I talk about business English, communications, and career development. So if you're into that, make sure you like and subscribe. And all the links that I mentioned in this video, you'll find in the description box below. So for this video, I wanted to do something special because I actually went on stage to get coaching from Roger Love. For those of you who don't know who Roger Love is, this is the voice coach who helps people like Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga improve their singing. He actually helped Bradley Cooper in the movie A Star is Born. And I had the opportunity to actually get 10 minutes of vocal lessons from this guy. Highly worth. The reason I decided to go get the coaching myself is because I have a speech impairment and a hearing loss, and it's been a huge problem in my life. I mean, for years I defined who I was because of my speech impairment and hearing loss. Now I've gotten better overall without having to do any serious training. So by the time I got to Roger Love, I was okay. You're gonna see in the video I was still pretty shy, I was still kind of struggling. But overall, you're going to find the lessons are extremely valuable. You're going to see that the reason I invested that money into coaching is because it's worth it. I have the option of going to him, or I have the option of going on other sites like takelessons.com and getting another vocal coach for probably $40 an hour. And I did the math. I could have gotten 15 hours of coaching for the same amount of money I spent on Roger Love for that seminar and for the 10 minutes of vocal coaching. But I feel like it was worth the 10 minutes, and I think once you finish watching the video, you're going to agree. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you afterwards.
Lisa, let's bring some people up.
Okay, we have Michael Rincon.
Hi. Nice to see you. Come stand right here. Tell them who you are, tell them where you're from, tell them what you're excited about next.
Okay. Hi, I'm Mike. I'm a data analyst. Let's see what I'm excited about next. Well, I'm getting my teaching English as a foreign language certificate so I can go. Sorry. I'm going to Japan. I'm planning to go to Japan, so I'm getting a. Oh, here I go again. So I'm learning Japanese, and I am getting a certificate to teach English as a foreign language. I'm sure. Yes, that's it. I'm trying to go to Japan. That's what I'm excited about.
Good. I was teasing you a little because this really isn't talking to them, is it? Who are you talking to?
The floor.
Okay. The floor's not good at clapping.
It's okay.
The floor doesn't really care about you as much as you'd think it might. There are people out there, some of those people might really care about what you're going to say. Some of those people may look at you and smile, and they're all cute and good looking and sweet and kind and handsome. Some of those people. There's a lot of really good, it's all great energy. Look, just don't say anything, just look. So, and kind of look over the side. Don't look down. Now that we're going to make that invisible brace that pushes people's stomachs in, we're going to make a little thing. We're going to make a turtleneck. We're going to make a turtleneck that has a steel plate in it. Right? So this is the steel-plated turtleneck. Well, we can make that invisible too, I guess. All right. So look, just look around. Look. Do you see anybody that absolutely hates you?
Yeah. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Right? I mean, look at the smiles. All right? This is a pretty friendly group. There's really nice people here, right? Okay, so what are you afraid of? You don't like talking to people?
I don't.
So what do you think, what happens when you, what are you afraid of the most? That they're not going to think you're engaging, or that they're not going to care what you say? What are you afraid of the most?
that they're going to get mad at what I say.
So at work, do people get mad at you a lot?
Yeah. A lot.
So what are you doing and that they're reacting to that?
I'm talking.
No way. What are you talking about to them that they get mad? What makes them real? You're a tech guy.
Yes.
So your tech expertise is what? What are you doing with tech?
Spreadsheets, database, code.
So you're presenting them with always bad numbers.
Yes.
So you're like, we've lost money, it's your fault, you're spending too much, we can't pay you, we're canceling your insurance.
As nicely as I can.
Right? So you're generally giving them negative news.
Yes.
Well, that would make anyone a little bit gun shy. Right? Because that he knows when he comes to those people with the spreadsheets, if it's generally negative, then they're going to blame him like it's his fault that they went to too many restaurants on their payroll, on their expense account, sorry. It's not your fault, right? So you're just reporting, all right? So I got it. So then even more importantly, you have to be able to deliver bad news in a positive way. Because if you deliver bad news in a fearful way, they're going to be more angry at you. Do you know how many times people ask me to speak at funerals of people I don't know? They're like, Roger, my grandmother just died. Could you speak at the funeral? I'm like, I'm really sorry about your grandmother, but I didn't even know her. I used to say that, and now I know why they ask me. Because they know that I'm going to be able to speak in a way, in a sad situation, that still everyone feels hopeful. That there's some positive, talk about the love, talk about the goodness, talk about, they know I'm going to be able to deliver the eulogy in a way that makes people still feel good instead of feeling sad, right? So did you come from a family of kind of quiet talkers? How was the dinner table? Was everybody talking about politics and sports and whatever, or were they kind of quiet at the dinner table?
They were very loud.
Unexpected, right? Were you loud at the dinner table? No. So they're all loud. So, look, my brother had no chance other than eating my Easter candy to get any attention. Can you imagine having me as the younger brother? I'm always singing, I'm always doing stuff, I'm always excited about something, I'm really noisy, I'm always talking, and he was kind of quiet by comparison. And I often would apologize, I'm sorry that I am the way that I am, because he kind of got the short end of the stick because I was eating up too much air, and I really tried to be quiet around him too, to let him have more, but he was just quiet. So here's the thing. Do this for me. Do you like to sing at all? Like when you're on your own?
No.
No. Okay. So when you did the exercises there, come on back over here. Do this for me. Do it really loud. Gug 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 gug.
Gug 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 gug. Gug 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 gug. Gug, 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 gug.
Now say, I can if I want.
I can if I want. I can if I want.
Okay, great. Now let me show you a little trick. When you're speaking to people, even if they're close to you, they don't know if you're looking in their eyes, or you could be looking a little above their eyes. So check this out, okay? Look at just above the top of my head. Right? Just look at this hair.
Yeah.
Okay? Just look at that hair. Don't look at me. Don't look at my eyes. And say, Roger, I could be loud if I just look at your hair.
Roger, I can be loud if I just look at your hair.
Okay? Now, and drop your jaw more. Roger, if I drop my jaw like you taught me yesterday and look at this one strand of hair.
Roger, if I just drop my jaw like you taught me yesterday and one strand of hair.
Great. Now look over there. Now look at the sound guy.
Okay.
Okay? Okay? Austin. And,
They're scary.
okay? No. They can't even. They're partially blind. They can't see. We hire the handicapped. Okay. They need glasses. They forgot their glasses in Sacramento, I think. So look at them and say, I love being here and I'm dropping my jaw.
I love being here and I'm dropping my jaw.
It's a lot easier looking up to those lights because those lights are not going to be angry at me.
It's a lot easier looking up at those. Oh, sorry. It's a lot easier looking up at those lights because they're not going to be angry at me.
I was a tech person who was afraid of getting negative feedback when I show them my reports.
I was a tech person who was afraid of getting negative feedback when I was showing my reports.
And now Roger taught me an invaluable trick.
And now Roger taught me an invaluable trick.
I do not have to look at anyone.
I don't have to look at anyone.
I can look right above them and they still think I'm talking to them.
I can look right above them and they still think I'm talking to them.
Isn't that funny?
Isn't that funny?
You gotta love it. In the moment, it's no better place to be than in the moment, right? Wow. So, I really want you to go back to work, and I want you, because watch, okay? He looks like, he looks like he's looking at me, right? So, tell me again, tell me what you did for dinner last night and drop your jaw. Right here, stay with me, my hair. Go ahead.
I don't remember what I did for dinner.
Drop your jaw. Roger, I don't remember what I did for dinner.
Roger, I don't remember what I did for dinner.
So now here, let's pretend you're bringing this report to me, and you're telling me, here's the latest reports, and I'm sorry, we're gonna cut your salary in half. But just look up here, and don't look at me. If I'm crying, you don't know.
Roger, here are the latest reports, and I'm sorry, we're gonna have to cut your salary in half.
And that's a new person. I'm serious now. I'm serious. Just use that trick. Nobody will even know. Look. Wow. Cheers to that.
Hey, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed watching me getting on the hot seat with getting vocal lessons. I hope you're not as nervous as I was watching that video. It still makes me a little red thinking about how nervous I was being on stage. But it's worth it. Even if you have no intention of getting on stage. Like, I have no intention of ever public speaking. But if you're in my career as an analyst, as well as an English teacher, I had to go and actually speak in front of people. So it was really important for me to get that handled. Anyway, thanks again for watching that video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'll see you guys next time on this channel. See you later.